Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove line breaks in Excel. So here I have this address and each of those address has 3 different parts and each part is in a new line in the same cell separated by a line break. If I want to remove those line breaks, select the all data Ctrl Shift down arrow key and hold the Ctrl H. This open the find and replace dialog box. Now here I need to specify what is it that I want to find and what is it that I want to replace it with. I want to insert the line break character. To do that, hold the Ctrl J, and when you do this, you will see that the cursor is small blinking dot, which means that Excel has inserted the line break character here in the find what field. I want to replace it with a comma and a space character. So now if I come here and click on replace all, it instantly make change. So if I drag and change the width of this cell, you can see that the entry address is in one single line separated by comma and a space character. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time.